Hello, Noble Knitter, it's Nancy Queen, and today I'm going to show you how to knit this adorable dot stitch pattern. I knitted mine up in this really bright, sunny, happy green color, but I love the texture of the dots, so let's dive right in. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. For my swatch, I'm using Universal Deluxe Bulky Superwash yarn and a pair of size 11 knitting needles. I'll provide links to both products below. There's also a free PDF printable download available up here in this link or in the description below. I love this stitch because it just uses knit and purl stitches. I'll start by making a slip knot, and I'm going to leave somewhat of a long tail, about 2 feet long, so that I can do a long tail cast on. And you can see this link above for how to do the long tail cast on. This stitch is a multiple of 4 plus 3, so I'm casting on 19 stitches for my swatch. Before starting row 1, take a moment to count the stitches on the needle and make sure that you have 19. For row 1, we're going to knit the first stitch. Then we're going to start our repeat of purl 1, knit 3, and we're going to work that all the way across to the last 2 stitches. Purl 1, knit 3. That first row is always a little finicky, but once you get past that first row, you should be soaring on your needles. So we'll work that across, and then when we get to the last 2 stitches, we're going to purl 1 and knit 1. Row 2 is very simple. You're just going to purl all of the stitches across the row. Now for row 3, we're going to knit 3, and then we're going to purl 1, and we're just going to keep repeating that all the way across the row. Knit 3, purl 1 until we get to the last 3 stitches, and we'll knit into each of those last 3 stitches. On row 4, we are going to purl all of the stitches across the row. Now you can see my little dots are starting to show up, and if you look here, what that looks like if you keep repeating rows 1 through 4. Don't forget to click this link to download the free pattern. I create a new stitch pattern every Sunday, so be sure to check back and click this video to see what YouTube wants you to watch next. I'll see you in the next video.